Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today showing 4 recipes all together. 2 recipes would be homemade condensed milk and homemade cream cheese. And the other 2 are dishes made from these homemades. Easy bread pudding with condensed milk and a dip made from cream cheese. So let's begin with condensed milk. This is very simple, tastes exactly like store-bought or even better I would say. Most of you might be knowing this, but just showing for those who doesn't. You just need only 2 ingredients for this, milk and sugar. Into a pan, adding 2 cups milk. Now my cup measurement is 250 ml. Then to this add half cup sugar. And a little more, around 2 tablespoons. So it'll be like more than half cup but less than 3/4. So around 2/3 cup. Now heat the milk in medium-high flame. And let the sugar melt completely. Now when you know that the sugar is completely melted, take off the spoon and do not disturb the milk anymore with spoon. When it starts boiling, reduce the flame to the lowest and let the quantity of the milk reduce to half. Now you can see the milk is half the quantity. Remove the scum that has formed on top. This is the impurities. Now letting it simmer for some more time till it's a light yellowish thick consistency. And it's ready now. Taking it off. Straining is optional. I'm doing it just to make it into a smooth creamy texture. And the condensed milk is ready. Store it in an airtight container. This remains good in fridge for almost 1 week. For 2 cups of milk, you get around half to 3/4 cup of condensed milk. Now using this condensed milk, I made a very easy bread pudding. My kids loved it, so do try it for your kids too. Into a vessel, adding milk again, around 2 cups. Then goes in the condensed milk. Here I took half cup. I still had 3 tablespoons of condensed milk left in the bottle. If you want the pudding to be extra sweet, you can add that too. Then goes in 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can use butter as well. Then add 1.5 tablespoon of custard powder. Whisk everything. Keep on low-medium flame and boil the mixture. Stir it all the time so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. Now the mixture is boiling, so taking it off the flame. Then take bread. Here I am taking around 8 slices. Just cut it into squares. Now add the hot milk mixture into a large bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix. Then drop in all the bread pieces. Soak it in the milk. Take a baking glass tray, grease it with some ghee or butter, or you can use oil as well. Spread the soaked bread evenly. Top it with some chopped almonds and pistachios. You can even add cashews and raisins. It's up to you. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or until the top is a little brownish color. This is a hot pudding, so serve hot. You can have it with a scoop of ice cream. Next is homemade cream cheese. Again, another simple recipe. Into a vessel, add 4 cups of full fat fresh milk. You need full fat here, not skimmed or not low fat. Keep it for boiling on medium heat. Now when it starts boiling, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and stir until you see the milk getting slightly crumbly. Then add 1 tablespoon lemon juice again and stir. Now it's getting a little more separated, and then add the last tablespoon of lemon juice. So here we'll be using total of 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now it's ready, so taking it off. Now keep a strainer onto a large bowl. Over it place a cheesecloth or kitchen towel and strain the milk into it. Let it remain for 10 to 15 minutes. Then for this you will need a food processor. Add the crumbles into the food processor. Just a pinch of salt for a flavor. Blend till it's creamy. If you want the mixture to be extra creamy and a little thin consistency, add the whey water. That's the water got after you separated the milk. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons or more according to your wish and blend again. And then transfer to a bowl. I stored this in the fridge for almost 1 week. Now with this cream cheese, let me show you a simple dip. That's a cream cheese taken out from the fridge after a week. It was still the same and did not lose its taste. Into a grinder, add some parsley leaves and some coriander leaves. Then 2 green chillies. You can avoid it if you don't want it spicy. 2 garlic cloves. Then add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And grind to a fine paste. Then I'm chopping 1 small onion and 4 cherry tomatoes. Then into a bowl, add the cream cheese. Then goes in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I had low fat with me. You can go for the full fat as well. Now this is tahina. It's basically sesame seeds paste, just like how you make peanut butter. It's made the same way. This would be a little runny texture. Adding 2 tablespoons of tahina into the bowl. Then add the green paste and mix well. Check the salt, add if required, and squeeze some lemon juice into it. And mix again. Transfer it into a serving bowl. Add some extra olive oil on top. Then goes in the chopped onions and tomatoes. You can mix the onions and tomatoes with the dip earlier too. I'm just garnishing with it. And your dip is ready. Have it with kubus or pita bread, or even you can have with any veggies or crisps. So that's for today's video. Hope you liked my recipes and do try these at home. Would love to hear your feedback. Do subscribe if you haven't yet and click the bell icon for notifications on my coming videos. Keep watching. Take care. Bye-bye.